There are many wonderful occupations around the world, but few are as interesting, self-satisfying, and lucrative as trading. Name one other occupation in the world where you can concoct your own rules and play whenever you want, as much as you want, or as little as you want. Go away for a week or a month, and guess what? The game is still there waiting for you when you come back. Try doing that with dairy farming, or a newsletter subscription service, or practically any other occupation. I guess poker comes about as close as any occupation, but I really don't think you can make up your own rules to that game. If you're going to become a successful trader, you need an edge. Discretionary traders think their edge is their ability to interpret a dizzying array of price data presented in chart patterns and divine the right move. This comes with a heavy burden of not knowing when you have been deceived by randomness and an inability to know where the out-of-bounds markers are on the playing fields. And those markers tell successful traders when to stop playing because the game is no longer working. At best, discretionary traders need to guess when to pull the plug. That often leads to emotional crisis about taking the next trade, and suddenly their gut instinct is not so good and is called into question, leading to a collapse of self-confidence and ultimately to game over. Trading is really all about confidence. The best trading strategy in the world is useless unless the trader has confidence enough to trade it. That means knowing how bad things get when things get really bad, not just knowing how good it looks when things are great. The edge I'm offering you comes when you have built and tested your own ideas. You will then have the understanding of the strengths and weaknesses of your own trading ideas. These can be quantified and will allow you to know what risks you are taking, and only then can you confidently take the next trade and the next and the next and the next. This is systematic trading. Hi, I'm Bill Brauer, and I began working with TradeStation Easylanguage in 1992, and that's all I've done ever since. From January of 94 to December of 99, I wrote and published TS Express, a bi-monthly journal of informed users of TradeStation Easylanguage. In 1997, TradeStation chose me to be their Easylanguage columnist and contributing editor for their quarterly journal. I was a frequent speaker at Futures and Omega World conferences. I appeared on CNBC with John Murphy, and I wrote articles for Task and Futures magazines. I've written and published 2 books on how to design and build trading systems and learn Easylanguage. With the release of Portfolio MCS in 2000, I was the first person in the world to develop and offer commercial software to perform Monte Carlo simulation reward to risk analysis for a portfolio. That software is still used today by traders around the world. In 1998, I became a CTA, that's Commodity Trading Advisor, and I'm skilled at futures and options. And I have twice successfully traded a systematic futures portfolio. The key to my success was developing and backtesting trading strategies in Easylanguage, which has been my focus for almost 25 years. I am now offering to put the tools behind my success into your hands. I have built a program and a website designed to teach you how to use the TradeStation platform to achieve your goals. The program is a 52-week course that guides you step by step through the process of learning Easylanguage. It is based around the immensely successful 300-page Easylanguage Learning by Example workbook that I wrote. It is the culmination of a 15-year effort to show you how to master Easylanguage. The key is that I will literally show you how to do it. The course comes with the workbook, but more importantly, it has 62 videos that walk you through the exercises in the book. You will get one video every week for 52 weeks. The videos do not simply repeat the material from the book, however. They augment the book material in many ways and explain details that never made it into the book. They will show you how to explore the hidden nooks and crannies of the TradeStation platform that you might never find yourself. They often take the basic code from the book and expand upon it to show you how it can be used to take an unsuccessful concept and turn it into a winner. Whereas the book might mention that a solution to a coding problem exists, but the solution never made its way into the book, the videos elaborate upon the original code to provide a simple solution that can be used over and over again to make your trading ideas more robust. The videos are also chock full of programming shortcuts, tips, and tricks, and will make your programming easier. You will find explanations of why a trading technique was used and how best to use it. Perhaps of even more value are the explanations that clarify the risks you face when trading systematically and how to measure the risks and how to avoid them. Many of these are only available in the videos. If you wonder if this course material is for you, there's an easy test to take. Read through the posts in my blog. See if you don't find the material there eye-opening. This is just the tip of the iceberg of TradeStation knowledge you will acquire if you join the LBE community. That's learning by example. I say community because that is exactly what I'm building. Once a month, I will be hosting a members-only webinar to respond to member questions and issues and visually explore different trading concepts. You will have the ability to participate, share ideas, and even ask questions. I will be your guide through this learning experience. By being a member, you will also have access to the forum on my website. This is where members can post questions and collaboratively respond to issues and ideas raised by other members. I will be an active participant on the forum, and I will strive to make it useful and informative. To complement your TradeStation training, I have a resources page on my website where I provide links to other material, including videos that make your learning experience much easier. I have also provided 10 preliminary videos that you will need to watch before moving on to the weekly video lessons. While these videos are part of the LBE course material, you are welcome to watch them before becoming a member to give you a feeling for what it might be like with the weekly videos. As a bonus to all members, you will receive free of charge an extraordinary set of programming tools built for trading multi-time frame on tick charts. You heard that right. Multi-time frame on tick charts. Tick charts eliminate the two greatest weaknesses of time-based charts in fast markets and in slow markets. In fast markets, time-based charts cannot respond quickly enough to price movement. In slow markets, time-based charts meaninglessly drag around price, causing useless and unwanted trading signals. These tools will allow you to get around the hurdle TradeStation imposed upon tick charts, which restricts them to one data series only. The indicators respond by giving you the power of multi-data tick charts, and this is a huge edge. By becoming a member, you are essentially harnessing all the skill and power I have gathered over the last 24 years. You will gain wisdom and experience in a year that might take you half a lifetime to acquire otherwise. Save the money you will be throwing away on a black box strategy and invest in yourself. Ask yourself if this is something you really want to do. If the answer is yes, then get on the fast track to gaining an edge, the critical edge that will give you a skill and enable you to enter the trading arena with confidence. Take some action now and make that dream come true by signing up and becoming a member. You can do that by going to Inside Edge, that's 2 E's in the middle, .net. That's the home page, and you will find all the information there you need to sign up and become a member. Looking forward to hearing from you. Thanks for listening. It's Bill Brauer.